Hey, 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 it's Terry, Virginia's daughter, and I am back with round 3 of my unfinished sewing projects sewing plan. I have 7 projects laid out before me here that I'm going to share with you to let you know what it is I'm trying to complete to get this done. One thing I did decide though is that if I want to do something in between, as long as I don't make it an unfinished sewing project, I'm good to go. It's putting me in the mind of completing things. My goal is to never have an unfinished sewing project again. So going forward, you know, once I get this completed and in between time when I'm doing projects, just finish them. Okay, so we'll see how that goes. So I'm going to start with the first project. It is Butterick 4386, and I'm going to be trying to see if I can tell the year of these patterns. I should have done this before. I don't readily see that on here. I will see if I can find it and maybe put it someplace else because I don't even have all the pattern here. And I'm almost sure I'm doing view B. Yes, so I've selected view B. I saw J-Lo in a dress years ago. Maybe I can find that picture, I probably can't, but I was like, oh my goodness, and it made me think about this fabric that I have in stash. It was so pretty, but it was an animal print and it had a little bow in front. Of course it wasn't exactly this way, but it was my inspiration for this dress. So I use this, this was in Virginia's stash. It is a, what do you call that? Silky, a silk, I'll tell you what it is. But anyway, she had this in her stash and this was perfect for it. So I played with the idea of, you know, I added this cuff. The original pattern does not have a cuff to it, but J-Lo's dress had a cuff. I'm gonna see if I can find that dress. So I have to put a zipper on this. It has a back seam slit. That's what it's called. It's not called a kick pleat or a vent. I don't know if you can see that here. And this is where I got a little bit, you know, distracted. So I wasn't sure if I wanted this black as a collar. This was originally going to be black as well, but then I decided no, I didn't want that. So then I, you know, I said, let me just do 2 sides and see which one I like the best. And I think I like this one the best, but there's also a tie. Let's see what color I make the tie. All I have to do is finish the front and add the zipper and of course hem it, and that'll be done. So this is Butterick 4386. Alrighty. Next up is McCall's 7624. This is 2017. I love this dress. I've already made this dress once. I actually made it out of this fabric with a gingham puckered cotton print. So I can put a picture of that up. So I think I made view D. Without the bow. I don't like bows in the back. That was back in the day. I don't like a bow. In any case, I have 2 dresses that I started. This fabric came from Hancock Fabric in Indiana when they were still open. And this is really a cute dress. So as you can see, I took the care of putting a seam finish on here, like a seam binding finish. It was just something that I was trying to do. I was like, let me do something a little bit different, you know, just to see where I'm at. So I did that. I stopped doing this because I wanted to film the bands. I think there's a little bit of confusion about the bands, and I was like, you know what, I'll just do this and make a video. Well, I stopped and never finished it. So I will show you the bands when I finish this dress. But it's a beautiful purple quilting fabric, I think it is. It's beautiful. And I was so excited about this that I cut, you see these are all the pieces here that are left, but I cut this also out of this African fabric that I purchased. I made a dress out of this one as well that also had like a gingham print, like a blue and white to play on this kind of navy blue that's in here. So this is actually two dresses that is going to come from, oops, excuse me, McCall's 7624. All right. Then we have a threads pattern, which is Simplicity, as we know. I can't even see the number on here, this is terrible, 1466. So this is Simplicity 1466, and I did view C and D, which would be this one here, which will be the top and the pants. I did this out of a white fabric, and here's the top, and here's the pants, inside out. It looks like the pants have like a waist facing, so there's a zipper that comes all the way up to the back. It just has a waist facing, kind of like that skirt that I did recently. I don't know, is there a zipper in the side or the back? I can't tell.
Yeah, so the zipper's in the back. No, it's on the side. Hold on a second, I still can't tell.
Oh yeah, zipper's on the left-hand side. So I don't mind a side zipper. What halted this project was the terrible interfacing that I used here. I don't even know what it was, but it's way too thick for this fabric. Interfacing is one of those items that can make or break a garment. So this is really thick, like it's a lot of, I didn't do a lot of trimming in here. There's actually some discoloration here. This is white. This is a linen blend, like suiting, I guess you could say. I may redo this and I may not, to be honest with you. I probably won't. Yeah, I'm not sure. And I may even have to bleach this white again because it is not white anymore. It just is so discolored. You know, white, it doesn't take long for white. But this is really a cute outfit. I mean, this is a cute pattern. I said outfit. And I did make dress A. Now that I see this, I did this out of a denim with like white buttons, and if I have a picture of that, I deleted my blog. So I had a blog, a sewing blog. I deleted it, so I don't have a lot of these patterns anymore. I mean, I don't have a lot of these pictures anymore because the computer that I had them stored on, I've since then gotten rid of it. So by the time this is over, it'll be 3 garments that I made from this pattern. Let's see, so that's 2, 3, 4, 5. This is just a little cardigan. I can't find the pattern, but it's not gonna be hard to finish. Here's one sleeve, and it's knit. And then this just ties like this. And to be honest with you, I'm not sure why I stopped this. I know that I didn't, again, here I am, instead of picking a project for which I have enough fabric, I'm always trying to, oh, let me try something and, you know, see if I can do it. So this was like a 1 yard wonder, you know, 1.5 yards or something, very small amount of fabric. So all I'm gonna do is put the sleeve in there and finish the ties, right? You can see that, you can see the border. You can see right here where the fabric is, you know, where I'm using this, like the selvage edge, right, of the fabric. But anyway, so that'll be a cute little thing to throw on. I'm always cold, so yeah. So that is that one. And then the last one is this McCall 7963. And I have made this jumpsuit already. I made view B. I have got to have view D. And I'm actually gonna make it in this pink bubblegum crepe. All the pattern pieces are right here that I made McCall's 8146 in. So I did that peplum top. It's the same fabric. So I'm excited to make that. This is a 2019 pattern. So there we have McCall's 7'9", I can't hold it up, 6'3". And there you have it. Those are my projects for round 3. So let's see how I do. And if you have some unfinished projects that you're trying to sew up, let me know about them. Put comments in the comments below. As always, thanks again for watching and take care. And that's it for round 4. Slowly but surely I'm getting this done. And guess what? If I can do it, you can too.